So, this is as low as it will go.
Oh, as low as you can go, it's a low rider. What the hell's that?
We'll get to that in a bit.
What is that?
It's a compressor.
Okay, I'm gonna run it.
Yep. What a monster.
Oh, mate.
It's kind of warm, so feel free to, yep. And it idles, look at that. How easily did that catch its idle?
I'm a little bit in love.
Oh, she's bucking.
Oh, that is life-affirmingly
What a
brilliant.
monster.
I just love that.